Alright guys, I don't know what happened. Something happened to my phone. But the butter is in there and so is the tallow. Let's get it. We are going to cook these mushrooms. We're trying to take the moisture out. This is the secret, guys. You do not want to have moisture in your ground beef, okay? If you do, your meatloaf is going to be soggy, okay? I'm just telling you. I'm turning down my ice on. I'm going down to number 3. Okay, we're building, okay? Look how beautiful that looks, guys. I'm going to add in the rest of the mushrooms. They were actually with the parsley by accident. So the other half will have to wait. So instead of that parsley and the rest of the mushrooms, I'm going to introduce the onions now. All the ingredients will be left in the description. Now, because I have this mixed in together by accident, of course, because how I chopped it up, I'll be introducing the rest of the mushrooms, the parsley, and the garlic at one time. It would have been better if I did it in order, but because it's all together, I'm just going to do it right now. And on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and introduce the rest of our peppers right here. Look how beautiful they are. That's Big Bertha, baby. I grew that. Oh, yeah. Nice and beautiful, right? Let it cook some. I'm going to go in with my W sauce. Just a tad bit. Give it a little flavor. I would say that's about 2 tablespoons. Let that cook some. We're getting ready to go in with 1 tablespoon of the better than bouillon made with seasoned mushroom beef base. Okay? And it looks like this. Now we can introduce it. 1 tablespoon. And we're also going to go in a tablespoon with this too. Better than bouillon sautéed onions, okay? Like that, just like this. This is going to give your beef a very nice taste, guys. Just telling you. Look how beautiful that looks. Now we're just going to let this cook down some. Let everything marry together, like I say. Oh yeah. Turn your eye down to number 3. You don't want to burn your stuff. You see how it's starting to make like a gravy? See that? Let me show you. See that? See how it's coming off the spoon? That's what you want. Okay, we're going to stop here. You don't want to cook them all the way because it's going to cook the rest of the way in the oven. So right now, guys, we're going to take this out. The heat, we're going to put it in a pan or a pot. We're going to let it rest so everything can continue to marry together, okay? And then we're going to move on to the ground beef, baby. Oh, Yeah. Peace.